Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So you can see how heavy euro currency stands right now. So yesterday it has made just minor attempt to bounce up from the 1826 support, but right after the Fed speech, so where the Fed mostly has confirmed their moderately hawkish view on perspective of rate increase, it has pressed the euro currency down and market just has dropped further. Actually, although yesterday we haven't expected that market so fast will complete our target on the intraday charts, but this has happened, and right now market stands at the first destination point that has been achieved yesterday. So on the daily chart you can see the market strongly oversold, and this is not really typical behavior for any financial market. So previously you can see how market usually reacts on oversold. It's just tested it and shows bounce, tested and bounce. Here again, tested and bounce. But here, when markets stand deeply oversold, in the 2-3 sessions, it just confirms how your currency week is right now, and I think that we should be ready for the further downward continuation. On the daily chart, guys, actually market has broken all support levels from this low to this top, and actually here we have some kind of the free space. The only support stands here is just previous lows, approximately 116.60, and monthly pivot support 116.90 area. So that is some kind of the support right around the lows where market could stop. If this indeed will happen, in this case we could get greater head and shoulders patterns. You can see this could become left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Right now we are working with the minor head and shoulders with this one. So the target of this larger head and shoulders also suggests that market should reach this area. So you will apply the classical approach for estimating of the head and shoulders target. Stands even, you can see, slightly lower, probably on 1660. But anyway, it's relatively close. Mostly it suggests that market should reach an area around this previous lows, and as I said, monthly pivot support one. So, but hardly it will happen straight down, because still this oversold condition still exists, and also we have some intraday targets where market could take the pause on downward action. So on the 4-hour time frame chart we have our ABCD pattern that has been completed recently, and also take a look, market has completed this 127 extension of the butterfly. So this level we do not need anymore because it has been erased. Next destination point based on this picture, as you can see, this will be 1618 extension. It stands approximately 1730, probably, no, even 1720 area. It's 1618 extension of the butterfly. This market could breach. Also, guys, we will continue to watching for this larger ABCD based on the head and shoulders, and as I said, the target of this next extension, 1618 extension, will be somewhere around 1650 area. But till the end of this week, we probably will focus on that target that could be achieved. On the hourly chart, we have approximately the same target, but from the different pattern. So we take a look at the smaller ABCD pattern. Yesterday we have talked about this possible reaction, but this was very small. And right now it's very interesting situation is forming, guys. Actually, market has formed this minor gutless triple to buy, but I think that it's not quite reliable pattern right now, because we have another extension, 1618 extension, that stands slightly lower. That's why this gutless triple to buy really has big chance to shift to butterfly pattern, because if any retracement here will happen, it probably should happen after market will complete the 1618 target. It stands very close to it. That's why if you're watching for possible making the scalp trade on the long side, on the bullish side of the market, and searching chance to go long with some target or some retracement, keep an eye on the situation, because it could be formed within the few hours, or butterfly could be completed. It's around 1618 extension. This will be 1725, 1730 area. Market simultaneously will complete this ABCD target. Also, market will complete this larger 1618 ABCD target. So that's why probably reaction, if retracement will happen, it probably will happen only after market will complete this area, will touch this area. Because here, guys, as you can see, some kind of minor reaction has followed, but it really was very small. So yes, market will complete butterfly, ABCD pattern, minor retracement has happened. But the size of this retracement just confirms that your currency feels really bad right now, and it's really significant pressure. Also, take a look what this rally stands. We have tail close almost in every black candle that has been formed here, and just suggests significant bearish pressure on your currency right now. As we said many times already last week as well. So it's also some technical issues, some technical factors that press on the euro currency as well. This big resistance on the monthly chart. It's also commitment of traders' positions based on the safety report. So everything stands in favor of possible retracement on the euro currency. German elections as well. That's why, guys, I think that we could keep an eye on the possible bounce here if we're trading on the daily chart. Market stands at the result right now. It has completed some intraday targets. It's not time yet to go short. We need some bounce to sell into, because it is just unsafe to take the short position right here. For the scalp traders, you could watch for some patterns. I don't know whether it's 222 buy will form or not, but currently it seems that the bearing of the butterfly looks more logical. Just let the market to complete this ABCD 1618 target. And here, some upward bounce could happen as well. So let's see how the situation will develop here, and see you tomorrow.